Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will explain you how to scroll instead of turning pages in Books app. Without wasting your time, let's follow the steps. First, open the Books app on your iPhone to scroll the page in the Books app. Then, find your favorite book that you want to read. And tap on it. As you see on the screen, the book is open in the app. By default, the page is turning side by side. Here, we want to enable continuous scrolling so that it will become easy to read the book. Now tap on the book page and tap on the More option from the bottom right corner of your phone screen. It will show different options. Now tap the third option, Themes and Setting. Then, on Themes and Settings, tap on the scroll icon. Doing this will enable continuous scrolling. Keep in mind that the settings you change will be applicable to all books available on the Books app. Now, check whether the book screen is scrolling or not. That's it. If you want to turn back on the page turning mode, reopen the Themes and Settings and turn off the scroll icon by tapping on it. This setting is only available on Apple iPhones and iPad devices. It is not available for Mac devices. I hope this video is helpful to you. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel for the latest tips and tricks videos.